Secret key is nothing but think of it as a password, a unique key that only you know, and you will use that while using the API. The secret key is something that you cannot share with anyone, otherwise that person will be able to make API calls on your behalf and you'll be billed. So to get started, you need to go to openai.com and there you will see a link called API. Just press on the Get Started button. Click on API. So to create a secret key, go into profile icon, click View APIs key, and then click on Create New Secret Key. So you put any name for the key and press Create Secret Key. You will be given a secret key which you have to copy right away. If you don't copy this key right away, then you will lose this and you will have to create a new one. I'm going to press copy button and I'm going to put this in a file in my laptop. Open my terminal window. I can create a simple text file and paste the secret key, and your API keys will show this new secret key that you have created. So I hope you like this video. Press like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Until next time, bye.